Hey YouTube, go on, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna change this mirror right here on this 2024 Camry. You can see this mirror come painted, but it's off a little bit. The color is a little off, but that's what the customer supplied. This is what the Camry look like, and then this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna install it. You can always paint it over when it's on the car. So let's go ahead and start it. So first thing first, get this. I can leave a link to this. I will leave a link to this kit right here. Bought it off Amazon. We're gonna come in here and get this off. So you just pry it from the it's on like this. You pry it from the back. It's gonna come out like this. You're gonna have a Phillips screw right there. Phillips screwdriver. Also make sure your window is all the way up when you're doing it. So remove that screw, put it somewhere safe, got it right here. The next thing we gotta do is remove this piece first. Lift up on the back, slide it to the back, because this in the front have a little hook that goes down right here. Once that's done, you want to squeeze this, pull back, squeeze this, pull back on it. So unplug this, then we can lift right here, and it will come up just like that. Push back on this, so you see how this stay right here, this line up right here to come out with ease. Then we're gonna come right here, and then we're gonna have two Phillips screws. Alright, so we take these two off. That's good. Now we're gonna come around, work it around the edges to get this cover off. Have this tool right here that also come in the kit. Just gonna go. You can see somebody been in here already. Like that. Once it's off, also have one more thing to remove. This right here. This come off, and now we can go up. This is supposed to be right here, but for some reason it was not in there like that. So this off. Green at the bottom, white at the top. The next step is this right here. It's a 10mm and also a Phillips screw. It seems to me that somebody been in here. I don't know why, but you squeeze this right here, unplug this, so just do it like that. So you can see this mirror probably changed already, because as you can see this right here, they didn't bother to remove this clip right here, but you can squeeze both ends and this part will come out. So you can see, so we'll squeeze this in and this will come out. That's like that. And you're supposed to have some thing cover this two spot right here. You would remove those rubber plug and then you would have access to some 10mm nuts in there. You got 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. So I know I said to wind the windows up, but it seems that we're gonna need the windows down because the bottom nut is accessible and the top one I can't get to because the glass is right there. I can get to this one right too, but let's just connect back this one right here. Turn the ignition on. So we're gonna take out the, I don't know why this is so tight, but I'm gonna take out these three 10mm. I have 2 on this side and 1 on this side, and be careful not to drop it. Oh, I'm going Russ. Bless up, bless up. Got one right there. Another one right here. And take note how this run, right? It run behind the window guide. You don't want to run it here because then your glass gonna either you damage this wire or you're gonna damage your glass or your window regulator. Just take your time. Come on, you just come down at an angle, and that will keep the screw in the socket. Then we're gonna lift up on this, and it's out just like that. So we're just gonna clean this up a little bit, just to make sure. That's right. So you have a small hook on the mirror that's gonna hold the mirror for you a little bit while you catch the studs, and then get the screw. You want to go up at the angle and then we want to do the same thing for the top one right here. And then we want to do the same thing for this one. I'm there, man, you're good. Then start out the thing. Oh, but most. Cause them a come out of them for check.
Yeah, them no profit pay. Then you get no hard time, no just no sweat, just
Oh. Alright guys, so we just need to snug them up so you don't have to like overturn them. Just snug them up. Once you touch the body, you can go like a quarter turn. So now you touch the body, we just do a quarter turn. And then that's it. So that's it guys. Now it's time to double check your work. Make sure the mirror sit properly and it's on tight, which it is, so no problem there. When I wrap this around, so this mirror doesn't come with this, so I'm just gonna add this to it with some tape, and that should take care of that. And make sure it have all the wires you need, which it does, so that's good. Also guys, we're just gonna snap this in right here. So we're gonna tape this right here with some electric tape. This is just wire management. Whatever tape you have, you should be good. Alright, so we'll go ahead, snap that in place. And then just like that, we're gonna run this in this little groove right here, because that's made for that. I'm gonna run this, snap that in. I'm gonna put back this right here. And also, now is a good time where you can like double check your work, make sure everything is good. So you can see that work. Yeah. Up, down. Go down. That's down. Go other way. Cause you don't go down a while ago. Alright, that's down. And go this way. Alright, that's it. You can't cut it off. Oh. Can't turn it off. Alright, so now it's time to install this. Make sure all your clips are there. Make sure to run your wire back through here. And also your locks. So I want to push this back in here. And that's it, guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. And that's it. It's done.